Hey, in this video, we will learn two specific things. Why listening to affirmations right before bed is the single most powerful way to start reprogramming your subconscious mind and to start manifesting while you sleep. And then the second part of this video will be the actual affirmations that will guide you into your peaceful, restful sleep. So be sure to stick around until the affirmations start, which will be about a few minutes from now. So let's dive into it. Why is listening to affirmations right before you fall asleep so important? Well, it has to do with the critical mind. The critical mind is the analytical part of our mind that filters out information from reaching our subconscious mind. Yeah, believe it or not, our emotional part of ourselves, our subconscious part, is actually protected by a guard dog. And what we want to do is we want to lead that guard dog away from us. We want to throw a stick and let the dog get that stick so we are in peace. Now, how do we do that? We can simply do that by starting to relax. And the moment we relax, critical mind disappears. And all the beautiful, positive, and encouraging affirmations that I will speak to you will be beautifully ingrained into your beautiful subconscious mind, and they will start to influence how you think, feel, and act about yourself and about the world around you. So without further ado, why don't we get started with the beautiful relaxation and the beautiful affirmation process right now. So make yourself comfortable. If you're not currently asleep, go lay in your bed. Take a few deep breaths in and out, and start to relax. Deeply relax. Close your eyes. Pay attention to your breathing. And become aware that how wonderful it feels to breathe. Something we all take so for granted, but breathing is a magnificent gift that we were given. Without the breath, we wouldn't be even alive. So why don't we feel some gratitude for the fact that we are able to breathe? Because every breath we take in nourishes us, and every breath out releases tension and stress of the day. And that realization really helps to relax and to deeply sink into your own body now. So I want you to open up your mind now and to really surrender and receive all the beautiful, positive, and encouraging affirmations that we are about to give now. Realize that all is well, and that you have all that you need and will ever need, because you are provided for. And people love you for who you are, because you love yourself. You find yourself surrounded by loving and encouraging people at all times. You appreciate yourself. You have the power to validate yourself. In fact, you are just enough, just the way you are. You are more than enough the way you are. give and graciously receive. And you realize that when it comes to abundance, there is this beautiful balance that needs to be met between giving and receiving. And you do both parts in a very healthy and balanced way. You willingly give and you graciously receive. You gladly open up your channels of receiving, and you can be grateful for everything you have right now. You can be grateful for the fact that you're breathing. You can be grateful for the fact that we have water, warm water, cool water, drinkable water. We have electricity to supply all the tools in our home. We have a home that shelters us from harsh temperatures, that protects us and keeps us safe, and that gives us a feeling of being at home. We have beautiful friends. We have a family. We have everything we need to survive at this moment in time. That's all that we truly need at a very essential level. And that is an amazing thing. That is something to be grateful for. So let's acknowledge that fact that we currently have everything we need be alive and to exist, and how wonderful that simple fact is, and how beautiful it is to simply be at peace with where you are, who you are, and what you have. And let these beautiful messages integrate into your subconscious mind now. The more you listen to these messages, the more they start to become a reality for you. And the more they impact the way you think, feel, and act about yourself and the world that we live in. So, relax your body and mind. Start to give in to the process of sleep. Start to surrender to the process of sleep. And realize that everything is fine just the way it is. Sleep well.